Welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned what artificial intelligence is and how ChatGPT generates answers. But understanding AI also means understanding its limitations. In this video, we'll discover why AI sometimes makes mistakes, what hallucinations and bias are, how to protect your privacy, and most importantly, how to use AI responsibly in your daily life. AI is an incredible technology, but it isn't perfect. Like any tool created by humans, it can sometimes make mistakes. Sometimes AI gives accurate, helpful answers, but other times it may produce information that is incomplete, outdated, or simply incorrect. That's why AI should support your thinking, not replace it. The best decisions come when people combine their own judgment with the power of AI. AI learns from data created by humans. If that data contains unfair opinions or unequal representation, AI can sometimes learn those patterns too. AI doesn't choose to be unfair. It simply learns from the information it receives. If the training data is unbalanced, the AI's responses may also become unbalanced. Researchers and developers continuously improve AI by using better data, testing for fairness, and reducing bias. Even so, no AI system is completely free from bias. Whenever you use AI, remember that the information you type may be processed by the service. That's why you should always think carefully before sharing personal or confidential information. Never share passwords, bank details, medical records, confidential company information, or other sensitive data unless you completely trust the service and understand how your information will be used. Protecting your privacy is an important part of using AI responsibly. Artificial intelligence is designed to help people. It can explain ideas, organize information, generate content, and save time. But helping is different from deciding. Whether you're writing a report, solving a problem, or making an important decision, your own critical thinking is still essential. AI provides suggestions, but people make the final decisions. The best results come when humans and AI work together. AI brings speed and information, while humans bring experience, creativity, ethics, and common sense. Together, they make a powerful team. AI can be an excellent learning companion. It can explain difficult concepts, answer questions, and help you understand topics at your own pace. Students can use AI to summarize chapters, improve writing, practice interview or exam questions, and create study plans. Used wisely, AI helps you learn more efficiently. AI should help you learn, not do all the work for you. Copying assignments without understanding them may save time today, but it won't build real knowledge. The quality of AI's answers often depends on the quality of your questions. Ask clear questions, request explanations, and use follow-up prompts to deepen your understanding instead of simply asking for the final answer. Think of AI as a study partner, not a replacement for your own effort. When curiosity, hard work, and AI come together, learning becomes more effective and much more enjoyable. Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever before. Every year, new discoveries and smarter AI systems are changing the way we live and work. From healthcare and education to transportation, agriculture, manufacturing, and scientific research, AI is transforming almost every industry across the world. Learning about AI today isn't just about understanding technology, it's about preparing for the careers, innovations, and opportunities that will shape the future. The future of artificial intelligence will be shaped by curious learners, responsible innovators, and creative thinkers. The journey begins with learning, and that journey can start today. Before we finish, let's remember three important lessons. Keep learning, always verify important information, and use your own critical thinking whenever you use AI. Protect your personal information, respect ethical guidelines, and remember that AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for human judgment or responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this AI Masterclass journey. We hope this series has helped you understand artificial intelligence in a simple, practical, and enjoyable way. If you enjoyed this series, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep building your future. Techno Corporators Right Guidance, Bright Future,